hands in the lamp and I just see everyone's fingerprints in there. I'm like, you obviously didn't wipe this.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
Hey guys, I'm Maya Bradley and welcome to the new video. So today's video we are talking about Ohora Nails. Ohora Nails. Whatever, we're talking about the gel kit that you might see advertisements on, specifically like on Facebook and like Instagram, and you're like, is this a scam? Is it worth it? Those are my thoughts exactly before I was like, you know what? My loved one gave me this gift, gave me some money for my birthday, and I was like, it ain't my money, I'm gonna spend it. So that's what I did. And it came in a box, just regular cardboard box. And I purchased this pink one. I purchased it for my mom, but she's not wanting to try it out. So I said, I purchased it, so I will use it. So I purchased this pink one. I also purchased the one that I actually have on my nails right now. I also, provide pictures and close-ups and prices on the screen like I usually do. This kind of green floral print one, and I cannot wait to wear this one when it's like spooky season, because it's like neon green and black, and I don't know, I am obsessed with black nail polish. I could wear it every single day and just be so content. It's like my alter ego like comes to the surface and she's happy, she's content, she's living her best life. So when I saw this, I was like, it's still summer, why are you getting this? I was like, oh my god, like I just have to get it. And then they have an all black one that I was like, I'll purchase more if I like them. Okay, great. So for first time customers, you get a little coupon code. I feel like they'll probably change it all the time, but basically use that coupon code and then you get the gel lamp for free. So this is the UV LED gel lamp. So it comes it comes in a box like this, and it comes with the USB cord, and then you have to have your own little cube to plug into the wall. It's not that long, so what I did was I just plugged it into an extension cord so I could use it on my bed. I was just feeling lazy, and I was just like, I'm so excited it arrived. It honestly came very fast, like a week, and I received email updates and text updates, which is really cool. It came from China, just if you didn't know. So here's the gel lamp. It's very cheap, and it says vanity table on the front, and the legs, you just kind of pull it like that, and then it just kind of just sits on the table like so, and then it has a little clicky button and that you turn on and off, and then it lights up down back here. So really cool. I'm not mad about that. That they have this like remover, so it's like an oil drop type of remover, and then you just kind of push your little wooden cuticle stick, and then it just easily removes and doesn't mess with your nails. But then I was reading some of the reviews, some people said it was useful, some people say you don't even need it, and so I was like, I'm not gonna get it this time. We'll see how the removal process is, once I take this set off. So, but reading, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna purchase the top coat. So the top coat comes, and all their packaging is pretty nice. I feel like they have a lot of they have this holographic packaging, and then like this holographic logo on their gel nail kit, so which is, I thought, pretty cool, pretty tasteful. So this is the Pro Glossy Top Gel. It's just a clear gel. It's just a top coat, it's to give it that nice shine. And a lot of the reviews was saying that it helps the gel appliques, or whatever you want to call it, nail stickers, whatever, last longer. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this out. So if you're like, great, Maya, that's fantastic. How does it last? Okay, so here's the thing. I'll get it out of the way now. I am on my 7th day. Okay, they claim it lasts 14 days. I'm impressed. Okay, I wasn't impressed really with Olive and June, and some of you were saying, you know, Olive and June, it was trial and error, and some of the things that did help you guys, or some of you just said you didn't really like it, you know. Great feedback, I appreciated it. I am very impressed with this gel kit. I have tried other at-home gel kits, and they chip off just easily. They just chip, and I'm just like, I know I'm aggressive with my nails, but like, I just don't want to go pay for someone else to do it and go to a salon where it's just not clean. I remember I would go get my nails done, and I would want gel, and I would put my hands in the lamp, and I just see everyone's fingerprints in there. I'm like, you obviously didn't wipe this, you know. And I like that at home I can put on sunscreen, because like if you do it there, they're gonna ask you to wash your hands off at the nail salon, and I'm just like, and then you're like, oh, okay, well maybe dip kit, and that's not very sanitary either, because I've been to 3 nail salons this year, so like in the midst of the pandemic, and they're not having you wash your hands before you dip it in the powder. Like, guys, come on, we should have been doing this before the pandemic and during it, like, because it's not after, we're still in the middle of it, you know what I mean? Like, and we should have always been wearing masks in nail salon. I will always say that, because obviously you have a mask on for a reason, because you're inhaling the chemicals. Well, I don't really want to be inhaling these chemicals either, all right? That's enough of my rant. So these products, I think I'll put the pricing on the screen, like I said, because I don't want to be wrong, but for all of this, I don't think it was too expensive. But I think it was $70. I think it was about $70 for 3 gels, kits, and a top gloss. The top gloss is not cheap. It's not cheap. I think that was probably $20, but that's fine. So let's talk about, I'm not doing demos. I was deciding if I wanted to do a demo, but I have corpse-like fingers, and I don't think anyone wants to see me do a demo. There are several other demos on YouTube. Watch that after my video. My fingers look like a corpse. Like, they're just so ugly. They're bony, they're crooked. I'm nervous, like, when I get engaged, like, to do engagement photos, because I'm going to ask them to edit the photo. I swear I am. These are the ugliest fingers you've ever seen, but I'm grateful that I have them, but they're ugly, okay? So no demo, I'm sorry about that, but let's get into the process. So, I took off my clear nail polish that I had on. Okay, that was my first step. And then I put my sunscreen on. This is from Trader Joe's, a UVA, UVB, broad spectrum protection, non-comedogenic sunscreen on. I just like put it all on my hands, you know, just to be safe, because you can get skin cancer, you know, when using, you know, these UV lamps and things like that. So I put that all on my hands. And then after that, inside, let's see, where's this kit? Inside the kit, and I still have a manicure set actually left over. And yes, I did mess up, so I messed up, so I used 2 stickers that I didn't actually apply to my fingers. I just messed up. They were either too little, and I just wasn't thinking. So it comes in a box like this, a little plasticky box. And then you just kind of lift that up. And then you have your little prep pad, your little alcohol prep pad. Everything is in, you know, Chinese. So you go on their website and it's in English, and the how-tos and the tutorials. And if you have your own gel lamp, they say what they recommend to cure your nails. But so you get the gel pad. Then you get your nail stickers, and they also have like on the side like where the cuticle line is, which is very helpful. But yeah, you get 2 kind of sheets of nail stickers, so I didn't use the sparkle ones this time, so I think my next set I will use the sparkle ones. I just didn't like the sparkle with because I thought the sparkle, the glittery ones was gonna be more translucent, but it's just like completely covered, and I didn't like that with the floral and just the regular green nail polish. And I love this kind of matcha avocado green, especially with my skin tone. It's very pretty. And then you get this little black little plasticky baggie, and it comes with a file that's very nice. It's very like rough, which is really good when you're filing off the nails, and the little wooden cuticle stick. So you really, the only other thing you probably need with this, if you don't like this, you can get use your regular cuticle pusher, and a nail clipper. I would say that's probably the only thing you need with this kit. So getting started. So like I said, sunscreen, then you take the prep pad, you wipe that off. Then, no, scratch that, guys. I'm sorry, no. Okay, you put your sunscreen on, all right? And then I push my cuticles back, file my nails how I wanted them to be filed, my own nails, so like your nails. Then I buffed my nails. So you might need a buffer. I buffed them. And then I did the prep pad. Or did I do the prep pad and then I buffed? Probably do the prep pad then buff, because then it can really adhere to the nail more. And don't buff too harshly. You don't want to mess up your natural nails, but like, yeah. So prep pad then buff. Instructions will be on this side. And then you kind of measure out where you want to put, the little nail applique, the nail sticker on the nail. I started by doing them one at a time since I was new at this, and then by my right hand, I did them all at once as I got impatient. And there is enough room underneath the lamp. You just kind of gotta adjust a little bit, maybe curve it sometimes, things like that. And then there's like a little, so these are like stickers, the little nail appliques, and there's like a clear film on the top of it that you can kind of peel to get the sticker out, to press it on your nail. And then once you have them on your nails, you use a nail clipper. Because I have short nails, so I had to use a nail clipper, and then you file it down, and then you cure it, and they'll let you know. They say, if it's hard, then it's good to go. They say cure 2 to 3 times. I did 1 time, then I added my top coat, and then I did 1 more time, or I did 2.5 times. It's just kind of dependent on the nail, because my thumbs, I cured 2 times, done. But then like, my middle finger, I had to cure 2.5 times. So like, the light would be on, and the light is like 30 seconds. So then I would just kind of be like, okay, I think that's good. And then I like hit it, and I was like, okay, that's hard. That's good. They say if you over cure, then you'll have more peeling and cracking of the nail. So I was like, I don't want to do that. Watched a video about it, and I was like, I'm good. I will follow directions. And that was it. Like, I was like very, very impressed with this kit. Like, I was like, where have you been all my life? On their website, they have so many cute, they have solid colors, and then they have ones with accent nails. I wouldn't suggest getting the ones, I think they have ones that have like a pearl or like an ornament or something on it. I wouldn't suggest doing that. I would try doing your own. Because I think it'd be a little hard to apply like a nail applique that already has like an ornament on there. I just don't see the ornament lasting at all. So I liked these a lot. I've heard Dashing Diva has one, but I heard that they don't last as long. But I'm 17 days and there's no chipping. The only thing that I notice is like, I know it's gonna be time for these to come off soon, is because my hair is getting snagged on the applique closest to my at my cuticle. close to my cuticle. I ain't mad at it. It hasn't chipped or anything, so I'm not mad at it. So I can probably remove these whenever I want. I'm gonna keep them on until they fall off, to be honest, until one of them just looks janky, because they're really pretty, and I'm aggressive as heck. I'm not careful with them, and they last. They honestly, they really last. But it's only 2 of my nails where the hair, like just one hair gets trapped underneath, so I'm good with it. I mean, have you guys tried this? Are you willing to try it? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer your questions, and this is a win. I mean, honestly, this is a win. So please subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye, guys.